Hey kids, welcome to Once Upon a Page. Get ready for songs, stories, and adventures made just for you. Come on, let's go. Sesame Street, Washy, Wash, and other healthy habits. When it comes to living in a healthy world, there are lots of ways to do your part. You can help yourself and others. Here are some ways you can start. We wash our hands so germs that make us sick go away. After we use the bathroom, before we eat, or after we've been outside to play. First, we wet our hands. Warm water will do the trick. Not too hot and not too cold will keep us from getting sick. Next, we wash with soap. That's what gets us clean. Scrub your thumb and pinky and every finger in between. Wash, rub, scrub. Sing the Washy Wash song. When it's through, you're done. Wash your hands and do a dance. Isn't washing oh so fun? The Washy Wash song. Wash, washy, wash, washy, wash your hands. Scrub them while you sing this song. Wash, washy, wash, washy, wash. Rub your hands and fingers and the places in between. Using soap and water makes your hands so clean. Wash your hands. Great job. You're almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now dry. Another way to show you care is to give your neighbor some space. Whether you're walking by or just saying hi, 6 feet apart is the best place. Ernie pretends he's wearing a hula hoop, and Bert is wearing one too. Big Bird imagines there's enough space for one snuffleupagus to walk through. Not being able to hug or high five can make Abby want to pout. But she can wave hello or goodbye, jump up and down, or even shout. Mr. Noodle can call his sister Mrs. Noodle when he is feeling alone. Ring, ring, hello. All it takes is picking up the phone. And when Elmo doesn't feel well, when he coughs or sneezes, achoo! He stays inside until he's better again, so his friends don't get sick too. When everyone is better, we can play and run and pretend. Wearing masks and practicing healthy habits means more time to spend with friends. There are so many ways to take care for each other, and these healthy habits are important too. Because the best way to take care of others is to take good care of you. The end. Yay! That was so much fun, boys and girls. I can't wait for our next story time or adventure. Remember, learning is fun when we do it together. See you soon.